Hi everyone, I'm here today with another of my episodes of Try It or Buy It. This is a series where I tell you if a product is worth buying right away or if you should try it first. Today I have the Fenty Beauty Face Primer by Rihanna. If you remember, I had a little bit of trouble with her blotting paper. I'll throw up a link up here if you want to go and make fun of me for not being able to tear blotting paper, but it's just a matter of getting used to it. So anyway, I wanted to try this Fenty Pro Filt'r Mattifying Face Primer. It comes 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce, and I bought it, to be honest, because Nikki Tutorials randomly mentioned it in another video, and she talked about being mattifying, and that's something I really need. This is what it looks like, and another reason I liked the recommendation from Nikki Tutorials, she said it was a lot cheaper than some other primers. And so before, the main primers I've used is the Benefit Pore Perfecting, and then the Hourglass one. And the Hourglass one is really expensive. So I just take it off the lid. You can see it there. I'll just show you what it looks like, just to use a little bit. So again, it looks kind of like any other primer, and you just rub it in. And I will say something that I really like about it is that that's a lot to put on my hand. Don't mind that. It rubs in really nicely. And I usually do sort of like 1 to 2 pumps for my entire face. It smells sweet. It smells kind of like candy. And I really found that it actually did a good job of cutting down on my oily areas of my face, because I get a lot of oil buildup in my T-zone, and I actually found that this did a lot to sort of keep that all in. At the end of the day, my makeup really did look a lot better. It looked more like it stayed in place, and that, you know, I didn't need to touch it up. In terms of this Fenty Pro Filt'r Mattifying Primer, should you try it or should you buy it? You should buy it. So if you are looking for a new face primer, and if you have sort of oily or combination skin, I think this is a really great one to try. The price point is more reasonable than some of the other face primers, and you get a significant amount, which I really like. So far, I've been using it for about a week, and I really, really like it, and I can't believe I wasn't using a face primer before my foundation before. So I'm really excited about this. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'm always happy to answer questions. If you have comments, do you like this one? Is there a better primer that's cheaper? Let me know all that down below. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye!